A female patient, 20 years old, unmarried, first consultation on September 13, 1998. The patient reported that over the past 6 months, without any obvious cause, her menstrual cycle had been delayed, occurring once every 40 to 60 days. Previously, her menstruation had been regular. Menarche occurred at age 14, with a cycle of 30 to 35 days, lasting 3 to 4 days, moderate flow, and dark red color. The last menstruation was on February 5, 1998, with scanty flow, dark color, and the presence of blood clots. During menstruation, she experienced cold pain in the lower abdomen, which was relieved by warmth and pressure. She was sensitive to cold, with cold hands and feet. She had fatigue and pain in the area connecting the lower back and upper buttocks. A sensation of downward distension in the lower abdomen below the navel. Frequent nighttime urination. The tongue body was pale with a thin white coating. The pulse at the wrist was thready and could only be felt with deep pressure. The physician considered that the uterine environment was cold, as if surrounded by winter cold, and prescribed a formula based on Wen Jing Tang. Prescription: salt-fried Evodia fruit, 9 grams, Chinese angelica root, 12 grams, white peony root, 15 grams, chuansheng rhizome, 10 grams, tree peony bark, 12 grams, donkey hide gelatin, 15 grams, Cotinopsis root, 15 grams, fresh ginger, 6 grams, licorice root, 3 grams, morinda root, 9 grams, cinnamon bark, 6 grams, prepared Rehmannia root, 15 grams. This is 1 day's dosage. The herbs were decocted in water into a soup, and the liquid was consumed. The doctor did not specify how many times per day it should be taken. After taking the medicine for 10 days, menstruation resumed and the lower back and abdominal pain was reduced. The physician instructed the patient to take Uji Baifeng Wan, 2 boxes, after menstruation. On the 22nd day after menstruation, she was to take the initial prescription again for 6 to 9 days. With this method of treatment for 3 consecutive months, menstruation returned to normal, and symptoms such as cold hands and feet completely disappeared. Note: Wen Jing Tang is a classical herbal formula from ancient times, while Uji Baifeng Wan is a more modern herbal formula.